In this part of the travel, we decided that we will try this new packing cubes which my wife ordered it online. We are going to share how it is coming out on the other side. So what is this packing cube? These are the ones which are called packing cube. It has zips all around and you put things inside and you zip it up. This is what the packing cube is, but I have made something here which I am going to share with you for you to have a look at. So in this packing cube, my wife has filled in with her quite a beautiful scarves, all cashmeres. So I'm going to be careful in having this zipped up because if it gets stuck, this might come out of the weave, and they are quite dear ones for her. So I'm going to be careful. So we just had this going, it's zipped up. Now, because it has a few, you see this height, but because they are silk, they can be made into half the space to hold in the suitcase. How do we do that? There are zips here round which can reduce the size, as you'll see, and this has become now half the size of what it was before. Voila! Now let us try my shirts. It's beautifully pressed, and this idea came to us because last time when I went to London, I had a huge suitcase because I wanted to do some shopping in London, but I took only 2 shirts and 2 trousers, and it was so huge that the shirt and trousers were moving around. So for that to happen, if we have had these ones, I could have put my shirts and trousers in this, and then it would have been in one part of the suitcase and my shirts and trousers would not have got damaged. So we are here now. Beautifully pressed shirts. I would have it one the other way because the collar takes space. There are 3 shirts here. 4th shirt. No, there is a bit more space I can use. So let us have it like this. Let me see. Good. I probably can squeeze in this, but let's see. As you see, voila. But I would not want this to be reduced the size because it's all pressed, and this needs this space, but let's see how it comes out on the other side. Wow, we have arrived. Now we're going to check out if our bags have arrived. Yes, I see the bags are here. Just wow, this is a beautiful room. Wonderful. Just amazing. There is a view to the sea, and there is a pool, and it's a beautiful, beautiful little terrace. Wonderful. Right, let us see how our luggage is. Right, before we go on to that, we are 2 of us. What we did with the packing is, for me and my wife, we put all our clothes here in one suitcase, and this suitcase has got all our accessories, footwear, shoes, toiletry bags, jackets, medicines, supplements and everything all in one bag, and all just our clothes, both of our clothes here. Among the clothes, of course, this is my interest to have a look, and I'm going to share how it has come out. But before we move on, I would like to make one point. So when the bags comes, you know what is in each bag. But as soon as you come in whichever hotel or wherever you have taken a new place to come and stay, you will plan immediately what are the things you're going to hang. For example, you got dresses. For example, the man has got jackets to wear or a formal dress to wear. So they will be hanging. And here, one side will be woman and one side will be men's. And these drawers, plan these drawers. These drawers can have, one drawer can have all underwears, just the underwears and socks. And this can have probably sort of shorts for the gym and daily wear shorts and so on. Here you find already space for the shoes. One can be used by a man, one can be used by a woman. So the planning is so important. You have so many shelves here. Your jackets, your rain jackets or your cold winter jackets might be able to go up here or something of this sort. Wonderful. Let's have a look at the cube. So we put about 6 shirts here, pressed ones, and as I mentioned in the previous video, this is the first time we have made this order and we are trying it out and we are sharing it with you guys to see how it has come out. I'm quite satisfied with the quality. It looks okay. It's not spot on, it's not the brilliant, but it is not bad at all. It has come out quite well, quite good. It has come out quite good for you to see how it has come out. Beautiful, wonderful. I'm quite satisfied with this. Probably we might want to order and use it for future. If you like what you have seen, please do write to us, comment, and also let us know if you wish to know anything to do about lifestyle hacks, whatever you wanted to know. How to make a cup of tea, how to put your things in order, how to have your home tidy. We are here. I am delighted to see you and answer to you.